You have the incredible ability to manifest beyond belief, to manifest your wildest dreams into your life right now. I know I have done it, and I continue to do it along with thousands and thousands of other people around the world. We call it manifesting beyond belief, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend upon. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We're talking about manifesting beyond belief, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health that you depend upon. You know, not long ago, I think it was about 2 years ago, almost 3 years now, we spent about 3 days, a little over 3 days, in a beautiful little town called Taos, New Mexico. It's a very metaphysical, spiritual town. I connected with it right away when I got there. Absolutely love that little village feel. And we had people come from all over the United States and Canada, as far away as Australia and India, to join us in Taos, New Mexico for an incredible 3-day intensive that I have not provided since. It's manifesting beyond belief, and it deals with the nature of alchemy. Alchemy in personal manifestation. Yes, you can have what you desire, but I believe that those who achieve, those who seriously manifest, are using the secrets of alchemy, whether they understand it or not. Stay with me on this. You're going to learn a lot, and it's going to change your life. So, high flyers, to the ancient alchemists, there were three essence from which all the world was eventually created. And these three natures, if you will, are found in everything. They called them sulfur, mercury, and salt. Let's use this rose as an example. This is a dried rose from my son's first birthday, but you'll get the idea. So within this rose, when it was alive, it had spirit. Spirit animates everything. Everything in the universe is animated through the essence of spirit, or the God force essence. So spirit animated this rose. Spirit gave it the power to grow, to bloom, to seed, to do all the other things that roses do. Every rose has spirit. It's referred to in alchemy as Mercury. Mercury, okay? So this rose has Mercury. The second essence that this rose had was sulfur. Now, sulfur relates to the soul of the rose, while Mercury relates to the spirit of the rose. Sulfur relates to the soul. And if you smell this rose, when it was young, when it was alive, it had its own personality. Every different type of rose has a different type of smell. Every different batch of rose has a slightly different tincture or smell. No two roses smell exactly the same because they have different personalities, just like you and I have different personalities. And of course, the body of this rose is called salt in ancient alchemy. So there you have the very, very basics of it: sulfur, mercury, and salt. These are the three essence that we work with in all living things. This is how the ancient alchemists were able to make some incredible medicaments and elixirs that would do some incredible things and provide unbelievable healing. Sulfur, mercury, and salt. They would separate them. And then they would raise them to their highest potential and then put them back together into a medicament, into an elixir, into a tincture, into a stone. Okay, I don't want to get too complex here, but for you and I, we will simply say spirit. We all have spirit. The same spirit that flows through you, that animates your life, is the same spirit that animates my life. It's the same spirit that animates everyone's life. And the spirit of a human is different than the spirit of a rose. It's the same animating spirit or universal spirit, but it takes on a different nature when it creates a rose. Okay, now you and I have very different personalities. That is our sulfur. That's our soul. When your soul is cleared of pain, when your soul is cleared of negative energy, when your soul is cleared of lower vibrations, your soul begins to soar like a beautiful eagle, and you begin to manifest just by feeling it, just by letting it flow through your energy field. But then there's the third part, and that's salt. And salt is your physical body. If your physical body has blockages, as Wilhelm Reich talked about what he called muscular armoring, if you have blockages that choke the energy, then the energy doesn't flow freely through your body. And your body doesn't do its job in helping you manifest the life that you crave, the life that you absolutely desire. So all three need to be raised to their highest potential. It doesn't mean that you can't make a pile of money with a bad body. You can. It doesn't mean that you can't make a pile of money with a corrupted soul. You can. It doesn't mean that you can't have the love you desire with a spirit that is downtrodden and infected. You can. But it's just far more difficult. And if you want to have a totally beautiful manifesting lifestyle, in other words, what I call abundance. Abundance is everything. It's the ability to manifest with your thoughts and your feelings, and it just flows into your life. You don't have any idea how it happens. It just happens. Good things are constantly flowing into your life. That's because you've taken apart those three essence. You've focused on each one: sulfur, mercury, and salt. You've attuned them to higher vibration. And by doing that, oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. The people that traveled all over the world to get to Taos, New Mexico 3 years ago had to pay for their hotel, had to pay for their airfare, had to pay for their own food except for their lunches and certain dinners. They believed it was worth it. They knew it was worth it. And so many of them now, their lives are just, I have one, I won't mention her name, but she's doing so well right now with her own business. She just moved to Colorado. She is soaring high like you cannot believe. She's becoming an influencer on Instagram. She's just doing wonderful things. Anyway, everybody's doing great stuff. You can too. Okay, so manifesting beyond belief. We videotaped that entire weekend. We didn't know when we'd use it. We didn't know how we'd use it. But we videotaped the entire weekend. We had 2 cameras and we videotaped the entire 3-day event. And then we edited the 3-day event into about 3 or 4 hours of the absolute essentials that you need. 3 or 4 hours of the absolute core essentials that will help you separate your soul, your spirit, and your body each so that you can attune them to higher levels of vibration. And we actually do an attunement that you can go through. This attunement is a wonderful experience. And when you come out of each attunement, you just feel so different, so much more empowered than ever before. But we're also going to teach you much deeper the essence and techniques of ancient alchemy. We're going to teach you how ancient magic and the law of attraction and the law of vibration all work together. They're really one and the same. And how you can use this ancient knowledge to empower your life. Oh yeah, gotta say it. Gotta say it. You're going to learn the Fire of Desire grid. With the Fire of Desire grid, you literally take your desires, your intention, you bring them into your energy field, and you use the Fire of Desire grid to amplify your intentions beyond your wildest dreams. And I do mean that. You're going to learn the septagram grid. This is the 7-pointed grid that will take energy from the 7 points in the entire universe and bring it into your energy field so that you are more able and easily attract and manifest what you desire. Things just seem to flow easier. You're going to learn different techniques that you've never seen before on how to raise your vibration. You're going to learn morning techniques, afternoon techniques. You're going to learn ways of clearing all that junk. I mean junk that we all have within us. You're going to clear it out of your energy field once and for all. Now, high flyers, listen to me. I got to say this. This is important. Do not complain about what you are willing to tolerate. Do not complain about what you are willing to accept. If you're willing to accept a bad marriage, don't complain about it. If you're willing to accept driving an old jalopy, don't complain about it. If you're willing to stay in poverty, don't complain about it. But if you're willing to do something, by the way, this is the workbook. I'd like to share this information with you. I've never done this before on this YouTube channel. And you're going to learn more information on sulfur, mercury, salt. You're going to learn why people traveled all over the world to get this information. They spent thousands. The average person spent $5,000 to come to that 3-day event. The average person spent $5,000. Some who came from India or Australia spent even more. I want you to visit me at Manifesting Beyond Belief. I have all the information there, and then make a decision if you think that this is right for you. You're going to get the workbook. You're going to get 3 to 4 hours of condensed video material. You're going to be put, when you request it, into a private Facebook group as well for those people who actually attended physically, so you can share your experiences and your ideas. All we need to know is that you invested in Manifesting Beyond Belief, the entire program, and we will put you in the group as well. It's incredible. ManifestingBeyondBelief.com. Now, I can't emphasize this enough. I can sit here and talk for hours and explain to you the different natures of the septagram grid, the fire grid, sulfur, mercury, and salt, the Kabbalistic tree of life, the different levels of vibrational alignment. I can go through all of that. But then we'd be doing a 3-hour or 4-hour video. So why not just join me at manifestingbeyondbelief.com. I know you'll be happy. I know it will make a huge, and I promise you this, it will make a huge, it's my intention, it will make a massive change in your life. Manifestingbeyondbelief.com. Check it out. See what you think. Okay? Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.